Hey YouTube, it's time for the floating card tutorial. Boom! I'm so excited. No, I'm kidding. But yes, it is time. And believe it or not, all the work is with these buggers. Yes, it is impossible to do it this way. Really? You want to have these edges, and you put your one finger like literally on the edge. Put your two thumbs like that. You close it up and you move them up and down, like so, from an exposed view. From real view. Yeah, well, like I said, really easy to do trick. Boom. And this time it was done with the 6 of diamonds. But yeah, that effect I added whenever I threw it, it just like popped out of my hand. And the thing is, it actually looks, crap, I dropped it. It actually looks really real, because this is what it looks like from exposed view. But the reason it goes harder whenever you, fast, like better whenever you do it not exposed, it just does it. All you gotta do is just flip your fingers forward with your hand in the way, and it just like slides. Does like a weird matrix flip or something. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, I'll shoot you. Oh, I'm actually gonna shoot the camera, see what happens. Wow. That was a fail. Okay, now I shoot the camera.